Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about MemoMaster Supplement, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, MemoMaster claims to improve memory, focus, and brain clarity using some so-called breakthrough formula. The ads are flashy and full of emotional stories, but according to malware tips, there's a lot of reasons to be suspicious. They report that the site uses misleading ads, exaggerated testimonials, and vague scientific claims. There's also no real transparency about who's behind the product, and as of now, there are no Trustpilot reviews available to back any of their claims, which is another red flag. For the final verdict, MemoMaster doesn't appear trustworthy, there's no solid evidence it works, and with all the sketchy marketing tactics, it's better to stay away. If you're looking for a legit brain supplement, do some deeper research first. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.